Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators, and in this video I'm going to talk about the electric vehicle. As you know that there are many companies that making the electric car, truck and van, but the two strongest one are the Tesla and NIO. So let's take a look so that we can see which one have more bang of the buck in terms of the investment. So if you look at here, in terms of fundamental, the Tesla is the number one electric automaker in the world, and they have had a significant role in return of 700% in the last 12 to 18 months, while NIO is number two, but they also a number one EV car in China, and one of the best EV stocks to invest in the market from a role and return perspective. In the last 18 months, NIO has been rolled up 1,500%, with more role in the future. So we can see that the NIO see in increasing institutional interest. You can see that smart money, they more interest into the NIO, where some of the institutions, they have been selling now more on the Tesla share. For example, on the April 21st, 2021, if you look at a report on the ARK investment from Cathy Wood, she unloaded a lot of share from Tesla, as you can see here. So they start to roll it out and then use that money to buy something else, make more profit in the future. And if you look at the technical analysis on the chart, so you see that the Tesla chart weekly on the left and the NIO chart on the right. The two charts look pretty much the same, but in terms of the value here, you can see that percentage growth of NIO, they hold greater than potential than Tesla. Okay, because if you look at the car in the US, we only see Tesla. I don't see NIO car running on the street yet. So in terms of the car, you may like Tesla more than the NIO if you want to buy the car, because this one is made in USA, and then they're over here. But in the conclusion, in terms of stock investment, we can see that both stock, they are a strong stock. Both are expected to grow in the future. The Tesla is number one right now with the price at $720 per share. And NIO is number two and significant undervalue. Right now they're only $39 per share compared to 1,500% gain growth every year. Therefore, that we can see that the growth potential for NIO is expected to be bigger magnitude compared to the Tesla, and similar to Roku in the old days. So Roku, they compare to Netflix, it's almost the same. When the Roku is like NIO and then Netflix is like Tesla. So you see that since the market crash of 2020, the Roku have been returned at more than 400%, while Netflix only gain 100%. So that you can see it's very similar magnitude. So based on the both technical and fundamental analysis, we can say that they support the NIO is a better pick for the bang of the buck. All right, so that's what we have for you. If you would like to learn more how to read the chart correctly by using modern technical analysis, you can check out our website at stocknavigator.com. Or if you're busy working, you can subscribe to our premium watchlist. Every week I'll pick up about 4 or 5 stocks with the entry, stop loss, and the target, so that you can follow along. All right, so you can check it out by click the show more link below. And thank you for watching this video. So next thing that I'm going to show you on the weekly market forecast. As you can see that right now the market is still in the uptrend, but in the short term when it hit to the upper bound here, so the market it goes sideways correction. As you see that every time they go up, they hit to the upper bound, they do correction. They go up, they hit the upper bound, they do the correction. So they are still sideways correction right now. And look at the NQ, it also do the same thing after the market all-time high, and then they go sideways correction right now. And the Dow is very similar, but Dow it still pretty much hold up very strong here. The one thing that we pay attention right now is the Russell 2000. The Russell 2000, they get stuck in this triangle here. This morning they try to push it back up, but they have a little bit problem, okay, to keep the momentum. So let's see tomorrow if they're able to get out of this area here, and then they will have a lot of a small cap top. They turn around, especially like NIO we are talking about. And in terms of crude oil, the crude oil try to put it back up, and then they slam it down. So, but they still have momentum to put it to the upside. In the other hand, the gold still continue to put it high, low, and put it up to the upside. So gold try to find momentum to break through this resistance area here right now. That will be a more bullish for gold in the future. And another thing at the Bitcoin, if you look at the Bitcoin chart, you see that like on the previous video, I show you that Bitcoin, okay, don't buy here because a lot of people they jump in, they buy here at 65,000 level, and that's why at the member of Top Navigator, we will buy it when it reverts to the buy zone area here. Okay, if you buy here, you're already losing right now at 48,000. So they continue to push it back down. A lot of people were panicking here right now. It's something like Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum here, if you buy up here, right, and then now they come back down here. But you can see that this one is very similar to you compare to Tesla and NIO. Okay, one of them at the big price, okay, and the other one a cheaper price. So this one they have a more momentum to grow compared to the Bitcoin. Okay, so it's very similar here, and so I think that overall market is still bullish. Okay, but we are in the sideways correction right now, so we have to stick with the sideways a little bit here before the market be able to turn around and revert to the upside. Okay, so that's all I have for you on the YouTube today. So thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to give me a thumb up. Take care everyone, and see you in the next video.